Dr. Vijayan Karipal, Principal, Expert Pre-University Residential College, Mangalore, and Consultant Educational Psychologist. I'll be discussing now why students tend to forget, how to learn better and remember better. Students from KG to PG tend to forget partially or fully, even though they study hard. Why it's happening? Is it a genuine problem? How to overcome this problem? Let's see. The best definition about learning is learning to learn how to learn. So the major problem in forgetting is nothing but some students don't know how to learn. Learning is learning to learn how to learn. So it's a question of learning style, your learning style. If you need better memory, you need to resort to better learning strategies. Let's see what is meant by memory. Memory is our ability to recall previously learned material. Whatever materials are deposited in our brain earlier, whenever we need, we must have the ability to recall it. That's called memory. Let's see how the memory system works. Our memory system has three important components, three important processes in which it works. First one is registration or the deposit. Second one is retention. Third one is retrieval or recall. The first process, registration, is more important based on your memory will be existing in the system and you can recall it. In order to enhance the registration, you need to involve more senses. As you know, senses are the gateways of knowledge. We have 5 senses: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Out of which we can use at least 4 senses in learning process. When you read silently, there will be less memory naturally, because in silent reading there will be involvement of only one sense. During this time, all the 4 other senses will be in idle, so that those senses will be involving in some other business, whereas you will be reading something. So, to enhance the deposit into the brain or into the memory system, you need to ensure the involvement of more senses, that is eye, tongue, ears, and hands. Let's see how can we do it. There are some steps. If you want to learn one chapter, irrespective of the subject, let it be science, maths, or history, whatever. You take one chapter and first of all, you need to survey the title. First, survey the title, then asking questions. Third, read aloud, then recite, then relate. Next is rewrite. Let's see one by one. After taking one chapter, first of all, you need to survey the subheadings, subtitles. While doing so, you will get an overall idea about the chapter, what it's dealt with. Next to it, you need to find out the question. From first paragraph or second paragraph, you have to find out a question. And hereafter, you'll be reading the paragraph in order to find out the answer of the question. While reading aloud, the most important thing is you need to visualize what you are reading. Visualization is a very important process in learning. It's nothing but a mental tour, whatever you are reading. You are imagining whatever you are reading. So visualization is a pivotal process in reading aloud so that it will boost your memory. After reading aloud, you can recite it once again to get it registered once again in your brain. After that, you can just try to relate with earlier material, whatever you have learned previously. Just check it in your mind whether this current material is some way or another related to the earlier material. It's called relate or associate. When we are relating or associating, your memory will be enhanced because registration process will be more. The quality, the quantity, and the clarity of registration must be better so that the retention will be more and you can recall it better. So, survey of title, finding out the question, reading aloud with visualization, relating or associating or connecting with the earlier material, and finally you will have to rewrite some sentences, some keywords. Instead of simply writing down the same sentences which are in the textbook or notebook, you need to rewrite the keywords. There is some 80 by 20 relationship in the keywords. 80% of the sentences in the textbook is unwanted. Only 20% of keywords are essential for getting a better grade in exam. So you need to find out these 20% keywords and write it. Write it down. When you're writing, your hands will be getting a movement, and this movement will be registered in the brain through receptive cells of the body, so that your registration will be enhanced. The quantity, the quality, and the clarity of the registration will be better. And next, in order to enhance your retention, the storage of memory, what you need to do? You need to refresh the learned material with a regular interval. If you learned everything last week, don't leave it alone. Try to refresh it with a regular interval so that the retention will be more, so that whenever you need it, you can recall or retrieve it very effectively. So, try this method and try to get better marks and better grades. Thank you.